Nerdy Academy is a professional home coaching service provider based in the small town of Raipur in India. The founders of this company wanted to set up an edutech venture, which will provide an online and mobile app platform for tutors to register themselves to offer tutoring services. Students can go online and search for the tutors they need. But they did not have either the funding or the access to technology to enable them to start what they wanted. So, what did they do then? As college students, the founders knew many other college students who were interested in tutoring school students. However, these college students did not know anyone who would be interested in the services. The founders saw an opportunity because they and their families had lived in Raipur for generations. They knew the parents of many school-going children. These parents were personal connections, and they also came with goodwill and trust in the founders. Well, what the founders did was they focused on what they had rather than what they did not have. For example, they did not have access to technology, but what they had was a strong network of local connections with school-going children who required tutoring and college students who wanted to become home tutors to earn while they learned. So the founders used their connections to create a startup which is a one-to-one tutoring service but not technology based. It was completely offline and focused on their town. Today they have over 200 tutors and about 1,000 students registered with them. In short, they started with their means. This is the first principle of effectuation and it is called bird in the hand. And this is common sense, isn't it? All it means is you start with what you have in hand versus looking outside for resources, etc. As per this principle, when entrepreneurs begin their venture, they start with the means and who they are. Three simple questions which capture this are: who am I? What do I know? Whom do I know? Then they look for possibilities that are thrown up by the answers to these questions, or in other words, what possibilities are thrown up by their means.